Dashboard is an e-learning innovation tool to help you visualize your learning objectives and assessment progress in this course. It has been designed to help you stay on track and give you the best chance of succeeding. Dashboard comprises of a number of visualization widgets and other features. This video will show you how to make the most out of Dashboard. Firstly, we have the recommendation widget. This widget shows you personalized recommendations which are set by your course staff and change based on your performance. Recommendations vary from announcements to advice on how to maximize your learning and achievements. Recommendations can be filtered by date or type. Next, we have the individual assessment cluster widget, which shows you your achievements compared with the rest of your peers. It displays which assessment items you have completed and compares your mark with the cohort average. We can further explore this widget to see a more detailed breakdown of these statistics. You can see the cohort average represented as a percentage juxtaposed with your mark. The Team Assessment Cluster widget serves a similar purpose to the Individual Assessment Cluster widget, although it categorizes all assessment clusters by team activities. The Learning Objectives widget is the next widget of interest. It presents course learning objectives mapped back to assessment items. As you progress through assessment, bubbles will gradually fill up to show your completion of learning objectives. By hovering over a bubble, you can see which assessment cluster that bubble represents, and by clicking on it, you can see a more detailed breakdown. When an assessment cluster is fully completed, the bubble will turn into a tick. Finally, we have custom charts, which give you a way to create your own visualizations. These charts can be created through the Custom Widget drop-down menu option. As an example, we will demonstrate how to create a chart which visualizes your current total assessment score. First, click Custom Widget from the Add Widget drop-down menu, and then give it a title and a label. The title is what will appear above the widget, and the chart label is what will appear below the chart. Select Donut Chart from the chart type, and then choose all of the assessment items as the chart data. To view the data as percentage, we can hit View Percentage. To view our total current mark, we will choose Max Assessment Mark. But to see our progress towards an assessment item, we would choose Cumulative Assessment Items. If you click Create, the chart will be generated and added to your dashboard. If you have multiple assessment items you want broken down, you can use the Sunburst chart to visualize this. We'll now show you how to create a Sunburst chart to visualize your progress through the problem-solving sheets. First, click Custom Widget from the Add Widget drop-down menu. Then give your widget a title and a label. For the chart type, select Sunburst, and then for the chart data, choose all the assessment items which correspond to the problem-solving sheets. As the data point, choose Max Assessment Mark, and then click Create. Once the Sunburst chart is created, you can see a detailed breakdown of all the assessment items you selected. This table also sums up the total weight of all the assessment items, and by hovering over different segments in the chart, you can see the amount of marks you missed out on, and you can also view assessment items which have not been released yet. In addition to this, you can also click on a segment to give yourself a better overview of that assessment item. For example, I can click on the problem-solving sheet too, to give myself a better overview of the amount of marks I gained and the amount of marks that I missed out on. Once you are happy with the charts you have, You can manipulate their positions by dragging them around the grid. Important widgets can be pinned to the top by clicking the pin icon found in their header. They can then be unpinned again by clicking the wrench and then the Unpin from Top Grid. If you wish to delete a widget, you can click the X icon found in its header. After confirming the deletion, it will be removed. If you wish to lock the positions of your grid, you can click the Settings and then the Lock Widgets button. This will prevent widgets from being moved around. If for some reason you want to reset your layout, you can click Settings and then Reset Layout. This will give you the default view. This is only the beginning of Dashboard, and we look forward to hearing your feedback on its features. We wish you the best in your studies.